Goblin, Vision, She-Hulk, Thor, War Machine, Star-Lord, Ant-Man, Spider-Man.
Welcome to another edition of TRUK Championship Wrestling.
We're in for a marvelous match, Jeff.
8 great competitors waiting to see who'll be the winner and who'll be the loser in this over-the-top battle royal.
They're testing each other out. No one wants to make the first move.
Oh, it's a double elimination Ant-Man followed by Star-Lord.
He will not be happy with that. 6 competitors left. Who will be next, Jeff?
No need for predictions, because there goes She-Hulk.
I think She-Hulk will She-Sulk now.
Oh, Spider-Man slung out with Vision just behind him.
I think Vision needs to have his eyes checked, Jeff. 3 great competitors. Who will win?
I can't predict the future. I don't have a time machine. War Machine!
He may have lost the battle, but he's lost the war too.
These competitors are giving the crowd everything, and the crowd are absolutely loving it.
That's right, Jeff. This is awesome.
And this is TCW. Comes down to the final 2, the Green Goblin and the Asgardian Thor. The Asgardian's gone over the top.
He should have watched his own back.
And the winner is...
Green Goblin!